to cook. Yeah. It's only with here. We are the same here. The same here. How old are you? Let you guess, Captain Buntot, how old am I? I'm old enough. I'm very old. We're cooking tomorrow rice cakes. Like,
you're speaking English na?
oo. Need to speak in English. Because Dave is English from the America. Nice. Oh,
Speak English, ha?
Dave from the America.
It's not Dave.
Foreigner.
Oh, OMG. Nice name, Dave. In Bisaya, David.
Luka-luka.
Pila yung gusto tayo? 100 or 60 lang?
Hi, Cousin. Oh, si Cousin. Cousin is single. She is older than me 2 years, but she is single. 2 viewers, hi. 0 na.
Gusto mo siya mag-live? TikTok. Darate!
4 na viewers, shout out. Guys, please like the Lord. You are not beautiful, but very smart to talk and very adult.
You're not very beautiful. Nakakita lang beautiful din.
Nakita lang beautiful, Jade.
Ha?
Nakita lang beautiful. Ikaw, rinano ko beautiful.
Hala, oy.
You are not beautiful, but very smart to talk and very adult.
Much better.
Ano? Gcash?
Gcash.
Sa TikTok mo yun.
Okay, thank you for the compliment that I'm not beautiful. It's okay. No problem at all. I know that.
Online payment link.
5 years and 4. Hello. I know that I am not beautiful.
I admit.
But
I am not beautiful, but I'm confident.
With a heart.
Charot. Kailangan pa ni confirmation?
She's very beautiful. There is something wrong with your eyes. Okay, thank you, Dave.
Kung simple naman sa damay.
Thank you so much, Dave. 3 viewers and 4. Nagamay na akong viewers. 3 na lang. Tapos bigla-biglang mag-up. Hello, what happened? What is this? 5 viewers. Ang samantara, tulugan na ni. 11 o'clock na. And we are still not planning to sleep. She's very beautiful. There is something. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Dave. Thank you so much. I was telling the other guy, I think you're gorgeous. I know. You're telling to Captain Buntot. I know that, Dave. 4 viewers.
Number?
Thank you. 4 viewers and 4. Hi po. Thank you sa 5 viewers. It's 11 in the evening here, 11 p.m. And we are still here talking and talking. We didn't plan. We don't have plan to sleep.
Mag-live sa tindahan na mamugas to lang, mag-chat-chat po naman.
Oo, Jai, dinood na. Hi.